Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be discussing the topic makeup is actually easy. You'll see that makeup isn't as complicated as it seems and that by following the right steps, it can be a fun and enjoyable process. Let's get started. For many, makeup can seem like a complex and daunting task. However, with the right techniques and products, you can make this process quite simple and enjoyable. The goal of makeup is to enhance your natural beauty and make you feel more confident. Now, let's explore the step-by-step tips for easy makeup application. One of the most important steps in makeup application is preparing your skin. Clean and moisturized skin ensures that your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. 1. Cleansing. Before applying makeup, thoroughly cleanse your skin. This opens up your pores and helps the makeup adhere better. Use a suitable cleanser to gently wash your face, followed by a toner to refresh your skin. 2. Moisturizing. Moisturizing your skin helps your makeup look more natural and healthy. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Lightweight, water-based moisturizers are ideal for oily skin, while richer moisturizers are better for dry skin. 3. Sunscreen. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen. This not only protects your skin, but also helps your makeup last longer. The base makeup steps are crucial for evening out your skin tone and highlighting your natural beauty. 1. Foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly across your face. Foundation helps cover imperfections and provides a smooth canvas. Use a sponge or brush for a more even application. 2. Concealer. Use concealer to cover dark circles and blemishes. This gives you a brighter and more rested appearance. Apply the concealer in a triangular shape under your eyes for a natural look. 3. Powder. Set your makeup and control shine by applying a light powder. Focus on the T-zone forehead, nose, and chin to keep your makeup in place. Translucent powders are great for setting makeup without altering its color. Eye makeup enhances your eyes and makes your gaze more captivating. 1. Eyeshadow. Apply natural toned eyeshadow to your eyelids. This makes your eyes look bigger and more vibrant. Use lighter shades on the entire lid and darker shades in the crease for depth. 2. Eyeliner. Define your eyes with a thin line of eyeliner. This adds depth to your gaze. Apply the eyeliner close to your lash line and slightly wing it out for a subtle lift. 3. Mascara. Curl your lashes and apply mascara to open up your eyes and make them look more attractive. Apply mascara from the roots to the tips of your lashes for added volume. Lightly apply mascara to your lower lashes as well to complete the look. Eyebrows frame your face and are an essential part of your makeup routine. 1. Shaping. Brush your eyebrows and shape them according to their natural form. Fill in any gaps with an eyebrow pencil or powder to define them. 2. Brow gel. Use brow gel to set your eyebrows and keep them in place all day. Clear brow gel maintains a natural look, while tinted brow gel adds fullness. Lip makeup adds the finishing touch to your face and completes your overall look. 1. Lip liner. Define your lips with a lip liner. This helps your lipstick last longer. Apply the liner just outside your natural lip line for a fuller look. To lipstick, choose a lipstick color that suits you and apply it carefully. Lipstick is the final touch that brings your makeup together. Matte lipsticks are long-lasting, while glossy lipsticks add shine. 3. Lip gloss. For fuller and shinier lips, apply lip gloss over your lipstick. Gloss adds dimension and volume to your lips. Blush and highlighter enhance your facial features and add a healthy glow to your skin. 1. Blush. Apply blush to your cheeks for a natural flush of color. Lightly sweep blush over your cheekbones for a subtle, healthy look. Rose and peach tones are universally flattering. 2. Highlighter. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, nose bridge, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This adds a radiant glow to your complexion. Makeup is not as difficult as it seems. By following the right steps and using suitable products, you can achieve a professional look. Remember, the goal of makeup is to make you feel good and highlight your natural beauty. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.